Come get it, Kaden. Good boy. Get it. Get it. Get it, Kaden. Get it, Kaden. Good job. It's my boy. Learned to crawl yesterday. Good job, Kaden. Good boy. Still right there. You still gotta get it. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Huh? You gonna show us how you dive? Oh. No. You're a crawling machine now. Oh, you found the remote control. Crawling to everything you want. And most things that we tell you you're not supposed to have. And take the remote and pop down.